Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can refresh your PC and what happened when we refresh it. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and if we want to refresh our PC, we need to go to the setting. I'm going to open up this menu and select settings, and in the settings we need to go to the Windows Update. Okay, and go to the advanced options, and here guys you can go to the recovery and you can click on reset this PC, and make sure that you keep your file when you reset your PC. You can click on reset PC and then you can choose keep my files. Okay, and then guys, what will happen when we refresh our PC? So basically, refreshing our PC makes computer run faster by cleaning its previously completed job cycle, or it will fresh up the RAM used for various purposes and fasten your PC. Okay, so I recommend you to refresh your PC if your PC start to work slowly. Okay guys, and that's all the way to refresh our PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.